Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead program sponsored by Delta Tata Exchange. I am in the Bengaluru workshop, so therefore I'm not able to do the video. So that's why this audio podcast. Friday, US markets were very volatile. Because of that, GIFT Nifty went down by about 150 points on Friday night, again shot up 200 points. GIFT Nifty is trading around 40 points higher than Friday's close. So in all likelihood, tomorrow morning, Asian markets might open slightly positive and we might also open positive. First, some good thing, FII selling keeps going down for the last 5 trading sessions. So every day they're selling is less than the previous day. And also our markets are extremely overshot. The VIX is also moving higher in a rising market. So this means that, a lot of call sellers are trapped, especially when the markets are moving violently from the low level. So this can happen. But anyway, the markets, likely to consolidate only. So because from the low level, Nifty has almost shot up 600 points. So this week may be the time for consolidation. Looking at the open interest, 22,200 seems to be a good support now. That's for the very short term. Otherwise, for medium term, 22,000, it should be a good support. Since markets recovered from the level of 22,000, now the 22,500 is taken out decisively. 20,000 should be the support for the entire month. So at least for the timing, that is a view. Moreover, 1 week is over. So we have remaining 3 weeks. So there is only 14 trading sessions, and of which 1 trading session is a public holiday. So we have only about 13 trading sessions. So because of that, option writers may be banking on the time decay, the faster time decay. So all in all, Nifty is likely to trade between 22,000 and 22,800 for this week series. Remember, on the way down, 22,800 support was there. So now 4 or 5 times that support was tested and moved higher. Ultimately, that support was broken. So therefore, on the way higher, the 22,800 will be a good resistance. If that is taken out for one or the other reason, the next resistance will be the round figure 23,000. 23,000 is just a round figure, right? Otherwise, technically the resistance is 23,300. So anyway, so markets are trying to stabilize, but the things are not looking really very good in US. And Nasdaq has fallen more than 10%. S&P 500 has fallen about 8% so far from the peak. But that's because of the Trump policies and this and that, right? So when global markets were moving higher, Indian markets were singled out for punishment. So therefore, even if global markets are not doing well, there is no necessary that Indian market has to fall. With the domestic institution giving a lot of fight to FIAs, so things may consolidate with some kind of a positive bias. So for this week, the expectation is that, the markets may trade with some kind of a positive bias, and, but at the same time, it's likely to consolidate. So aggressive traders are selling 22,200 put and 22,800 call. Some moderate risk takers, they are selling 22,000 put and 23,000 call. But 22,000 put and 23,000 call, they both are trading only around 14-15 rupees premium. Right? So this is a second week, and so there are no important data. Probably maybe end of the second week there may be inflation data. But anyway, our markets are not data dependent. So like only US markets, they move very, very aggressively for the data. On Friday, US jobs data came that was favorable to the stock market, but still market went up again, sold into. It was too volatile market on Friday in US. So let us hope market stabilize, and after a long time option writers views are going right and they're making some good profit. So hope that this year, financial year ending in March, so they continue to make some good profit. So since I'm in a workshop, I didn't have time to research more. So the remaining things we'll discuss tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.